Emergency Plumbing Service in Delaware, Ohio. We are a family-owned residential, commercial, and industrial full-service plumbing company. I own the business with my two brothers, and we took it over from our dad in 2008, who started it over 40 years ago. And we love working together. Everyone says that we're crazy and they don't know how we do it, but it works out, so we have fun, and we have just built this awesome thing for all of our EPS family, and we love it every day.
Doug Rose. I'm with the Emergency Plumbing Service. We take care of all your plumbing needs, from small little drippy faucets to digging up the roadways, replacing storm sewers. We went from having 2 service vans on the road, my brother and myself, to having 18 service trucks on the road today in about the 10-12 years. So things are going pretty well. One thing that we're focused on right now tremendously is COVID safety. So we're wearing our masks, we are putting on our safety glasses, washing our hands a lot, we're sanitizing our vans and our tablets, trying to keep our customers safe, trying to keep ourselves safe and our company and our families.